Sourdough starter day 3. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. And today's video, today is day 3 for the sourdough starter. So hopefully today might clear up a few things, I hope. If anybody got confused, and you might not have got confused, it might just be my fear that everybody's confused on my explanation. I don't know. But anyway, so we're going to go ahead and jump in. Oh, by the way, you like my shirt? Like my new logo? Anyway, and I'm going to open a merch store. This will be on there. I just haven't done it yet, but I will tell you just as soon as I do. But if you like this design and this shirt, then it will be on there when I get it going. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump in this video and figure out what we need to do for day 3 of the sourdough starter. Alrighty, so there's my sourdough. Doesn't really have a whole lot of bubbles today, probably because I added that water. But let me look on the inside and see what it's looking like. Oh no, there's some bubbles in there. And there is some discoloration, that's fine. You will see that, but that is perfectly okay. And this does get messy. You can transfer it to like a clean, go back and forth in a clean jar. You don't have to, but you can. Let's go ahead. This is a clean, empty jar the same size. That way we can get an accurate measurement. So it's on grams. I've got it zeroed out. So now when I put this on here, we're at 132 grams. Now we're going to take out roughly about half. We're going to take out about 66 grams, or leave 66 grams. $66, right on the money. All right, so I'm using the same flour, so I need 66 grams back in. So I'm gonna zero my scale out. Okay, that's 67. That's okay. It went just a smidge over. It's okay. So zeroed out again. Now we're going to do our water. Woo! Shoot. It stopped, and then all of a sudden it it started going again and jumped up 72. So 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. So I need 6 more grams of flour. Well, let's do 5 because I had one left, one over, if you recall. So let's do 5 grams, and we should be good. There we go. Now remember, you do not want like a regular spoon or a fork or a knife or anything. You want either wooden or silicone or plastic. I'm gonna put just a smidgen of water in here, there, because that is just a little thick. But this flour, where it's whole wheat, it soaks up a little bit more water, so sometimes you might have to use just a little bit more water using that. But you want it, like I said, a consistency of pancake batter. touch more. If you're using all-purpose flour, you won't run into this. That should be good now. Yeah. Okay, so there's just a thick, not super thick, but that's like a, if you can, let me see if you can. I'm trying to get to where you can see it good. I don't know if I'm doing a good job or not. But it's just a thick pancake batter. So it will run off your spoon. Not super fast, but not super slow either. Okay, there we go. Pop off some of this mess that I got on the side there. And the top. Because just from experience, I've not paid attention at the top and put the paper towel back on. And then the paper towel sticks, and then when you take the paper towel off, then you've got like paper towel stuck. So, all right, there it is. And right now it just smells like flour. It doesn't really have a, like a fermented, yeasty type smell yet. So I'm gonna put my lid back on, and then this is going back over to where, my stove. This is the discard. Right now it's not a ton. Tomorrow it will be a little bit more than this. So I'm just gonna, I'll probably just put some either plastic wrap over this or put this in something with a lid. Put it back in the fridge, or put this in the fridge until tomorrow. Next day, since I'm gonna have more, what will that be? Friday? Friday, we'll see. I may try to make either some pancakes or crackers. I don't know yet. I'll just have to see how much I have left over, but there we go. So this is going in the fridge. This is going to sit beside my stove. Okay, there you go. That is day 3. I hope maybe that's cleared some of that initial video up somewhat anyway. And that's all of today's video. I will be back tomorrow with day 4, and we're just doing the same thing. We're taking out half and we're replacing half. If you are trying to do this with a measuring cup, just remember you want a pancake batter consistency, and ever how much that you take out, like if this is probably a third cup, my third cup. This is probably a third cup. My husband tells me I love dirtying up dishes. I'm like, well, I'm the one who washes them, so. But that's close to a third cup. I mean, it's not a fourth, definitely, but it's close to a third. So if you are not using a scale and you're using a cup, since I took out a third cup, then I would put at least a third cup of the flour and about a fourth cup of water and mix it together, and then see what kind of consistency that looks like. And you just want it as a semi-thick pancake batter. So, I don't know. That shows you how thick it is or not, but what do they call that, ribbon? I think it's a ribbon. So that's all. If you have any questions, then put it down in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And if not, then I'll see you tomorrow to do day 4. Hope y'all have a blessed day. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.